Hello and welcome to today's video. My name is Andy. Today we're looking at this 2011 on an 11 reg Ford Mondeo. It is the 2-litre Titanium X Sport, and today we are having a look at an issue with the headlight, front fog light malfunction. So I had the scanner on this one, and it does say that it's the leveling sensor. So let's have a look at it, shall we? So this is the part ordered direct from Ford, of course. This is the part number, as we can see on there. By all means, pause the video if you need to. There it is. Cost around about £100 from Ford. Better than replacing the headlight, that's for sure. That doesn't need replacing. So if we open up the box and have a look at the part itself, there it is there. Sort of like this arm with a sensor on it. So I have jacked up the car, got the wheel loose. Let's get a look, shall we? So now what we need to do is take off all these plastic clips. You've also got, basically you're taking out the wheel arch liner in there. Now that the wheel arch liner is off, we're looking at this part here. There it is. That's the part that needs changing. It's obviously probably all seized or something. It might be able to free that one off a little bit, you know, just a bit of WD-40 or something. But I'm going to replace this one. It's a couple of nuts just there, 2 nuts down there, and then just a couple down there. Let's get them replaced. Okay, so now the old one's off. I just wanted to show you that. That's nice and easily freely moved, as is this one. You can see that's moving really nice and easy, whereas this one, I mean, it's really stiff, really stiff. I have tried to free it up, and that bit's nice and easy, of course, but the actual motion in the arm is really stiff, so that will be why it's caused a bit of an issue. So yeah, that's it off. That's where it goes, just up there. Let's put the new one on. Now, that's the new one fitted, all plugged in, ready to go. Let's test it out, see if it works. So I've just checked that, and it's coming up with the malfunction still there, but it has got leveling control, which means that it needs to be calibrated. So let's get the car down and start again. Okay, so now the wheel is down, everything is back together. Let's check it now, see if we can calibrate it. Okay, so whilst I've got the proper diagnostics machine, I need to go into the hot functions and headlight alignment. I suppose you can really see this overly too well. Switch the ignition on, it's definitely on. Park the vehicle on level ground, make sure the steering wheel is straight position. The headlight level is set to 0. No pressure, not remove the vehicle. Okay. Turn on bit dipped. That's dipped. Okay. Use an adjustable beam, set in equipment, adjust the left and right headlight alignment. Okay. Procedure completed. Switch headlights off. Headlights off. Okay. Switch to 0. Yeah, okay. Now when we go up here, we are all set. Thank you very much. Hope this helps, and good luck.